and I want everybody to get in the habit of doing this, right? This whole concept of like, I was gonna send it and then they sent me. You need to tell them on the call. Give me, and I'm weird, guys, but weird is disruptive. Weird is unique. I don't say, hey, Rich, yeah, I'll shoot over an email summary. I say, hey, Rich, I got some great notes here. I'm a bit of a slower typer, so bear with me. Give me like 23 minutes, Rich. I'm just gonna put together a summary of my understanding of your current situation, the capabilities you guys need in financing for that house there in the Hamptons, and then I'll suggest a few next steps. Rich, I'm gonna email that over to you as soon as I have that typed up, and then Rich, what's the best number for me to text you once I hit send on that email so that you're not waiting around for it if it's caught in a spam filter, right? Like I'm never sending them the power email without me telling them it's on its way, because now I get two like wows, because it's like, wow, he's gonna do this for me. And then when I write it, they actually open it, because if I just send it blindly, which if you didn't tell me you were gonna send it, still send it blindly. But when you just send it blindly, it's hard for them to go, well, this is different than the normal marketing emails that I get. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got three options. Option number one, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number two, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number three, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.